Hi everyone, today we're gonna be cooking Filipino-Thai food. I use 1.5 pounds of mushrooms, about 1.5, and 2 cups of red bell peppers, 1 stalk of lemongrass, that's from my backyard, and 1 stalk of green onions, and 2 medium limes, and few lime leaves. That smells really good. And 1 cup of organic fresh tomatoes. I use 1 bulb of garlic and 1.5 medium-sized onion. Chop it bite size. And the leaves from the lemongrass. Separate the hard stem and then chop it really good. And add your 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Then add your lemongrass stalk. Make sure you brown it first. And 1.5, I use 1.5 pounds of leftover beef. Then add your tomatoes. Then your mushrooms. And 2.5 tablespoons of salt. You're gonna see later on that other half is there already. So total is 2.5. You can use less if you want. Then some ground black pepper. Just use 1/2 teaspoon. That's approximately 1/2 teaspoon. And then your red bell peppers. I have to transfer it in a bigger fire now. And I added 1/2 cup soy sauce. Just mix it really well. And then add your lime leaves plus 2 limes. Squeeze it really good. And then drop it in. That's organic, by the way. I use organic lime. And I'm gonna add the coconut cream. That's I think 400, equivalent to 400 milligrams or grams. gonna be really yummy. I'm getting hungry. Just cook it for about 10 to 15 minutes. Once it starts boiling, that means it's almost done. And I'm gonna add my coconut milk. And then half tablespoon of paprika. Please let me know if you want me to cook more food. And then 1/2 tablespoon of 1/2 teaspoon of spicy chili hot peppers. Yan. I used to package. That's and then green onions. It's almost done. Thank you for watching. I hope you are enjoying my video. That's basically, the meat is already cooked, so when you cook it, it's gonna be like first and second boil, then it's done. Thank you for watching. Bye. Have a great day.